In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add the Internet Download Manager IDM integration module to Google Chrome. If IDM isn't capturing your downloads, installing the official extension can fix the problem. First, make sure Internet Download Manager is already installed on your computer. The IDM extension works only when the IDM application is installed. Next, open Google Chrome and visit the official IDM integration module page using the link provided by the official IDM website or the direct Chrome Web Store link. Avoid installing unofficial IDM extensions as they are not developed by IDM. Once you're on the IDM integration module page, click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension to confirm the installation. After the extension is installed, click the extensions icon in the top right corner and make sure IDM integration module is enabled. You can also pin it to the toolbar for quick access if you like. If IDM still doesn't detect downloads, open Internet Download Manager, click Options, then open the General tab. Make sure Use Advanced Browser Integration is enabled and that Google Chrome is checked in the list of supported browsers. Restart Google Chrome after making any changes, then try downloading a file. IDM should automatically capture the download and display its download dialog. That's how to add the IDM extension in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.